There's a new feature for Shazam and Instagram that allows you to share songs you discover with Shazam to your Instagram story. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to share songs from Shazam to your Instagram story. Now let's get started. To begin, open Shazam and tap the button to Shazam a song that's playing around you. Shazam will tell you the song's title and the artist. To share this to your Instagram story, tap the share icon in the top right corner. Now select Instagram Story. To post it, tap Your Story at the bottom. When your friends view your story, they can tap More on Shazam in the top left corner to open the song in Shazam. That's all it takes to share songs from Shazam to your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.